Jamaican man begs and plead to the Jamaican government. In Jesus' name, no bother take not even a 1 cent out of the international donations. He implores the Jamaican government to pass upon this money. Don't trouble none of this money. Don't even take $1.
Hear me and say no, the government of Jamaica, we are asking you, please, when you get the international money from all them international countries, they are going to give the donation to help bring back Jamaica and build back Jamaica. When you can pass up on the money, please, me I beg you, don't take none out of the money. We are begging you, please. Me I beg you in Jesus' name. Please do not take none of the money where the international country are going to send to Jamaica for the relief. Please, nobody take not even 1 cent, much less $100. Me I beg you, please. The money, nobody take none out of it. Please, me I beg you, please and thanks. That time, me I plead to you, please don't trouble none of the money.
Jamaica Live, your trusted news source, both locally and internationally. Please like, share, comment, and contribute to the conversation. Support independent media. Your donations are not just appreciated, they are essential to keeping Jamaica Live alive and thriving. Join us in making a difference. Donate today. Scan the QR code on our website or donate via PayPal to JamaicaLiveTVNews@gmail.com.